Jetta's Craft Cottage. Today we're going to make these adorable penguin candle holders. You will need a clean wine glass, acrylic paint and paint pens, some paint brushes, 5-inch wooden discs, 2 large pom-poms, 2 different color chenille stems, those are pipe cleaners, and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. You want to wash your glass. We are using a paper towel and Windex. Clean both the inside and outside of the glass. Once the glass is dry, paint the inside with the acrylic paint. We're using black paint. You may have to put a couple of coats of paint on it to make it opaque. Let it dry for about 10 minutes before you put a second coat on it. While you're waiting for the paint to dry a bit, paint your 5-inch disc black. Set that off to the side, we'll use it later. The second coat has been applied when the glass was dry. When the glass is completely dry, place it in a 220-degree oven for 20 minutes. I'm going to start painting the face on it. Start with a little V, and I'm using my white acrylic pen, and I'm going to use that to do an outline. And I'm going to make it go all the way down to almost the end of the glass. And then I'm going to cut in a little bit on each side. Now I'm going to fill it in with white paint. If you make a mistake, you can take a wet towel, because this is acrylic paint, and just wipe around what you have messed up. You'll probably need 2 or 3 coats on this. Now I'm going to do his eyes, so I'm going to make 2 ovals. And I'm going to fill those in with white paint. You could use your marker, or you can use the regular acrylic paint. This is still wet, but I'm going to try to make the nose and the feet of the penguin. This is like a little V with a half circle on it. Just be careful that your hands don't touch the paint. The ink pens are great for the outline, but I'm seeing that it's not as great for the filling in. So you want to use the paint for the fill-in. While this is drying, I'm going to paint the stem. So you want to paint going down so you don't see anything on the stem inside. Be careful when you're painting it so you don't mess up your face. Next, I'm going to put the eyes on. I'm going to use a thin acrylic marker to make the dots. And a little twinkle in his eyes. If you make a mistake, take a Q-tip and just clean up your paint that shouldn't be there before you put it in the oven. Now I'm going to put this in the oven again at 225 for 20 minutes. We're going to attach the glass to the base. I'm going to use my glue gun to make a rim of glue around the bottom. and place it right in the center. Next, I'm going to make some ear muffs, and I'm going to take 2 chenille stems or pipe cleaners, and I'm going to twist them so it looks like a candy cane. I'm going to use my hot glue gun and I'm going to attach it on both sides, but we're going to put our muff behind the glass. I'm going to bend it slightly so it doesn't come apart. Now we'll attach the pom-poms to the chenille stems. I'm going to use the hot glue and make a big, generous piece of glue right here on the side. Place my stem on it and then one of the pom-poms. Hold it for about 5 or 6 seconds. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other side. I hope you will add these penguins to your holiday decorations. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.